Excuse me, I love you. Who starts a conversation like that? Nobody but I do. But you are not a picture. I can cut you up or hide you. I'll get you out my mind. I try to.
Hello everyone, it's Herlina, and today I'm going to be doing yet another review slash demo on another product. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new lip paint from Fenty Beauty, and it is in the shade Unveil. This was their first addition to the other lip paint that they released last year called Uncensored, which I used this in one of my videos. I think I used it in the bold red lip video. Now I actually ordered Unveil the day it came out, so I didn't get any of the other lip paints because, well, for one, I didn't know that there was going to be more, just like the rest of us. But the moment I saw this, I had to get it because it looks like a nice chocolate nude shade for brown girls like me. Now, I don't consider myself dark skinned. I consider myself brown skinned because there are way darker shades than me, but I'm also not light, so I'm just in between. So I do consider myself brown, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this on my lips to see how it looks on my skin tone, and you can determine whether or not your skin tone is close enough to mine. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this swatched. And here it is. It is just like the Uncensored lip paint. I mean, it's same packaging, same everything. Everything's the same, just the shade is different. Now, I'm kind of wondering, why did it take them so long to release more shades of the lip paints? Like, they only released one last year, and I was so confused on why they only released one and why it had to be a bold red. But I'm happy that, you know, they decided to expand the lip paints. So awesome. By the way, I do plan on buying the other two. I do plan on buying Unbuttoned and Uninvited. Ooh. They haven't announced Uninvited. Actually, you know, I'm pretty sure when this video gets uploaded, you guys will know what I'm talking about. I'm probably gonna have to make a separate video for each shade, you know, because of course each shade is gonna have different looks, so whatever. Now let me go ahead and apply this lip paint on right now. And I'm not gonna be using any lip liner because I want to see it in its true form. And one thing that I am expecting, or I'm expecting but I hope will not happen, I'm expecting it to be a little messy. I hope it's not gonna be messy because I remember when I first used Uncensored, and still the formula is very messy. It transfers and it just gets all over the place. I think I talked about that in my bold red video when I used this product, and I was just like, oh my gosh, it's so messy, it gets all over the place. All right, I'm sorry, I keep talking. Let me go ahead and put this on right now. Okay, so that is the first layer, and it's very light, and it's still messy. Like I said, I knew that it was going to be messy. It is drying quickly though, which is a good thing. This is a really cute shade. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go ahead and put on a second layer. That's much better. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. This, yeah. This is bomb, you guys. Honestly, you guys, I really can't stop looking at it because it is just so pretty. Like, this is the perfect shade of brown for me. Like, I love this shade. It's funny because, like, when I was looking at the swatches and, you know, the models, you know, and trying to figure out what it's gonna look like on my skin tone, I honestly thought it was gonna look lighter, but it's actually a nice neutral, like, it's deeper than my actual skin tone. And by the way, my Fenty shade in the foundation is 420 or 410. I use both. This is a really nice shade for, you know, people in my skin tone because it's like, it's very subtle. Another thing I really enjoy about this shade is that it is it's like a cool, neutral toned brown, and I rarely find those, you know, lipsticks. You know, I rarely ever find that shade in lipsticks. As much as I love warm deep browns, I mean, I have yet to find a nice shade of brown that isn't too rich. You know, I would like it to be a little more neutral, a little more cold, and I get that using this. Now let me go ahead and see if it transfers. I'm just gonna kiss my hand. I'm gonna need a light, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna use this light. Sorry, I'm gonna use this light because it's dark in here. What do you know? It transferred. Okay, y'all saw that? It transferred. So just like the red lip paint, it does transfer, and like I said, the formula is very messy. I do wish that they would fix it, but I mean, it doesn't bother me to the point to where I'm not gonna buy the product. You know what I mean? It doesn't bother me. It may bother some other people, and I will say that when I am wearing uncensored, which is the red lip, and I'm eating, it doesn't leave my lips. Like, my lips will still be red after eating, you know, greasy food and all of that, okay? I eat all of that. Even after eating, my lips are still red. I don't need to reapply. So this is very long lasting. I think it says that it lasts 12 hours. And yeah, it does last pretty long. Even, you know, if you're doing a lot with your lips and whatnot, if you're doing a lot of eating or whatever you do with your lips, the product does stay on. It's just the fact that it transfers, which is weird because I don't know, like how can you transfer but still last 12 hours? How do you do that, Fenty? How do y'all do that? I'm gonna go ahead and reapply another layer on my lips because I'm about to head out once I'm done making this video. I know a lot of people don't like the applicator on the brush, and I'm gonna be real, when I first tried the lip paints, I didn't like the applicator too. I thought that the applicator was just weird, and it made it hard for me to get to kind of like draw my lips, to kind of, you know, make it easier to shape and define my lips. Yeah, I had a hard time doing that at first, but now it's really not that hard to do with this applicator. But I know that was the problem with the applicator when I first tried it out, and I didn't like the applicator because of that. Overall, I would rate this product maybe a 7 out of 10 because yes, I love the packaging. You know, this is very cute. I love the shade. The shade is awesome. It does last long. Well, I'm gonna assume that it lasts long because so did uncensored. It's very light, like it doesn't feel heavy on your lips. You know, you kind of don't feel like there's just something sitting on top of your lips. However, the formula is messy and it does transfer, and while applying the product, you do have to be careful because it will get everywhere. Like, I don't know, I've never had a formula like this, and I don't know how to describe it. But I would most definitely recommend you going out and getting this shade, especially if you are a brown skin girl like me. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this product. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I just wanted to make a little short first impressions video, just seeing how I feel about this product, and honestly, I love it. I can see myself wearing this every day during the fall because this is a nice fall color to me. And plus it goes good. It goes nice with this. Is this coral? I don't know what color this is. It goes nice with fall colors, so I can see me wearing this through the fall. Now, I think that this cost $24. Yes, $24 for a lip paint. Do I think that it is worth it? Honestly, I think that the price should go down just a little bit, maybe to $18, maybe 18 max, okay? 20 is okay, but 24, it's just the formula. The formula needs to be fixed, okay? And then we can talk about 24, okay? Okay, that's just my take on it, okay? So would I recommend this? Yes, I would, but I do think that the price is a little bit too high. That's just all I gotta say about it. But overall, I give this a 7 out of 10, and that's all I gotta say about the product. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with all of your friends. Feel free to check out any of my other videos. I do post at least once or twice a week, or whenever I can. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Guys, you know what's funny? This may sound corny, but I just realized something. This lip paint actually matches my nails. Look, like, look, it's the same shade. Look at that. Maybe this product was meant for me. Okay, I'm done. Goodbye.